Title slide. Welcome. Today, we're delving into matter. Let's measure. Our journey begins with the basics of matter, exploring its solid, liquid, and gas forms. Understanding matter is crucial in comprehending the physical world around us, so let's embark on this enlightening exploration together. Introduction to matter. Matter is all around us, constituting the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the ground beneath our feet. It serves as the fundamental building blocks of our world. In this section, we'll grasp the concept of matter and familiarize ourselves with its three main states: solids, liquids, and gases. The significance of understanding matter lies in gaining insights into how the world functions. Mass and its measurement. Let's delve into mass, the quantity of matter in an object, ranging from a feather to an elephant. We'll learn how to measure mass using tools such as balances and electronic scales. The importance of measuring mass extends beyond scientific pursuits. It aids in determining the amount of stuff we have, whether it's ingredients for a recipe or materials for construction projects. Space and physical quantities. When discussing space, we are referring to the dimensions of objects around us, such as length, width, and height. These physical quantities act as a manual, providing insights into the size and shape of objects. This knowledge proves invaluable in understanding and working with various entities in our surroundings. Volume and measurement. Ever wondered about the space something occupies? That's where volume comes into play. Whether it's a cup of water or a box of toys, we'll explore measuring volume using tools like graduated cylinders and beakers. Understanding volume is not only practical for daily tasks like cooking but also essential for scientists and engineers in their endeavors. Temperature and its measurement. Temperature influences everything, from the weather outside to the warmth of your soup. We'll learn about measuring temperature using thermometers, both traditional mercury models and modern digital versions. Knowledge of temperature is crucial in various fields, aiding in adaptation and informed decision making. Instruments used for measurement. Let's take a closer look at the tools that enable us to measure the physical world, from rulers and thermometers to balances and graduated cylinders. Each instrument has a specific purpose, ensuring accurate measurements whether you are building a bookshelf or conducting scientific experiments. Importance of knowing physical quantities. Why invest time in these measurements? Precision is key, particularly in science and engineering. Whether you are creating a culinary masterpiece or constructing a building, understanding physical quantities ensures that things work as intended. It's the foundation of innovation and technological advancements. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration, let's summarize our key findings. We have covered matter, mass, space, and physical quantities, delved into volume and temperature, and met the instruments facilitating these measurements. I encourage you to apply this newfound knowledge in your daily life and maintain a curious outlook on the world around you.